Okay, this activity, ordering fractions 1, is a complicated activity, and there's no easy way I could do a quick 2-minute video to explain how to do this one, because you'll use lots of different strategies to order fractions, be it making equivalent fractions, turning them into decimals, turning them into percentages. I do all of those sorts of things, and just visualizing them, picturing them. So that's the one tip I'm going to say that maybe you want to try if you're finding this one hard, is go with the picturing option. Draw them. Draw a cake and then cut it into 7 roughly equal pieces and colour in one of those pieces. Draw another cake the same size and cut it into 8 pieces and colour in 3 of those pieces, and then draw another cake and cut it into 9 pieces and colour in 4 of those. You should find that your 1/7 piece is the smallest piece, and depending on how your drawing goes, you might be a bit close with these ones. Okay. Again, there's lots of different ways of trying to work these out. I would go equivalent fractions. I would turn 3/8 into 9ths to see, or find an equivalent fraction of 3/8 and find an equivalent fraction of 4/9, and see which one is biggest. But I can't explain that to you very easily in these little videos. So my suggestion is that you draw them, and then once you've drawn them, you should possibly, not most of the time, if your drawings are accurate, get them close enough in the order that they are, to get the question right. But if they're very close together, like 3/8 and 4/9, your pictures will look quite similar. So unless you're an amazing drawer, you might sometimes get these wrong. But it's a good technique to start with, drawing them out. If you know how to turn them into equivalent fractions, then you can turn. You have to find a common multiple of these two numbers here, okay, which is going to be 72. 9/8 are 72, and then you turn this fraction into something out of 72, and you turn this fraction into something out of 72, and it'll give you the answer. Okay, so to turn 3/8 into 72, we have to multiply by 9. 3 9s are 27, and to turn 9ths into 72, we have to multiply it by 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So 32 is slightly bigger than 27. Okay, and that's the way I worked that out in my head to get this one right. But it's very hard to explain, as I said, in a quick 2-minute video.